I didn't put the top on very well.
Oh, there's Papa.
It's gonna be a while.
That was awesome! Oh, that was awesome! Awesome!
More water. That's the trick.
Yeah.
Get out! Jesus. Are we gonna leave this here?
No,
Look at this!
Yeah.
Now look at that!
the candle.
Oh, it's
Yeah, the candle's okay.
You guys are bad. I don't want you guys doing that anymore.
Look at the grass.
candle.
Look at the grass.
That's what it did to the grass?
Oh my.
Yeah,
I don't think so,
I
but
think it was like that.
yeah.
So you got
My
it on
favorite part is
Yeah, I
this.
got it on
I
film.
like this.
There's the lid. Okay, pick everything up. Everybody grab.
You're gonna put the bucket over this thing when Dad drops it on the ground.
I'm not going to drop it.
Oh, yeah.
It's gonna be loud.
I know. It's kind of like echo. Oh, geez. It's gonna... Oh! That's one way to clean it out.
Yeah, get the paint's gone. Where is it? Oh my god.
It did make a hole in it.
Let's see. Look at the bottle. Oh my
It's
god.
all dry. Those are all
Look at the bottle.
I cleaned off the
Or is this the paint?
I think it's paint.
Okay. That's enough blowing up stuff for today.
That was awesome.
It flew up like... Oh, look at all the dry ice in there.
There's that paint.
That's dry ice. It's
Oh yeah, it's smoking.
Smoking.
Part of it's paint, part of it's